What's this sound? I'll give you a hint. It's not ya. Mm-mm. This is a continuous sound. It goes y, just like that. That's all it is. This is just one of 4 sounds this letter makes. That's its actual consonant sound. Y. And it does sound like Y-E-E, but I'm just stretching it out because this is one of those sounds that we keep going until it blends into the next sound. Like yellow, yarn, yes, yet. We don't say ya-et. This is not ya. This is ye. You're just bringing your tongue up. Back of your tongue is touching the back of your teeth. Ye. You're just bringing it up. Ye. Because this is actually just one of its 4 sounds. It actually makes other sounds. The Y is also a vowel. It says short I sound. If it's in the middle of like a little short 1-syllable word or another little syllable that doesn't have another vowel, like in the word myth or gym, it says long I in little short 1-syllable words at the end, like my and fly and sky. And then it'll say E, long E sound, if it's at the end of a multisyllabic word, like happy or friendly or hungry. Hear the E? So this is just one of its 4 sounds, and it's a continuous sound saying ye. And so that is why I've changed the vowel song. It's now A-E-I-O-U and most of the time Y, because Y makes 4 sounds and 3 out of 4 are vowel sounds. So it's most of the time. When you see a Y, it's going to be a vowel. A-E-I-O-U and most of the time Y.